What's going on, everybody, and welcome back, and welcome to the conclusion of our road trip. Oh, I got a parking ticket because I forgot to pay this thing.
You didn't pay it.
I completely forgot. We just walked in, we were hungry. I didn't even think about it.
I thought that's what you came out to do.
No, I came out to get my wallet. After dealing with my parking ticket, because I know if I didn't do it right now I'd forget, it was time to hit the road back home. As we started to cross the Kansas state border, the sunset was just too pretty for me not to pull the drone out. After driving through the night, we had finally crossed the Illinois state border and were greeted with an absolutely beautiful sunrise. As the road trip was coming to an end, Carmen and I completely agreed that this is how we want to spend the next couple years of our life, traveling from place to place and always seeking out a new adventure. We had finally made it home. Time to unpack and start planning the next adventure. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.